Introduction: removing your Tesla from the app. Want to remove your Tesla from your account? Maybe you've sold it, transferred ownership, or are troubleshooting issues. This video will guide you through the process of unregistering your vehicle from the Tesla app, disconnecting it from your profile, and ensuring your data privacy. We'll cover the simple steps and address any challenges you might encounter. Here's what the Tesla app looks like, where you can control your vehicle remotely. Your Tesla account settings, including security options like multi-factor authentication. This is the Remove Vehicle screen, where you'll start the removal process. Here's how to remove your Tesla from your account step by step. First, open the Tesla mobile app on your phone or go to tesla.com in your web browser. Next, select the Tesla vehicle you want to remove from your account dashboard. Navigate to the Settings menu, then select Vehicle and choose the Remove Vehicle option. For security, you'll need to confirm by entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. If your Tesla is leased or financed, you may need to contact Tesla support or your lender for additional assistance before removal. Removing your Tesla from the app disassociates the car's VIN from your account, revoking your remote access, software update control, and supercharger access. This breaks the link between your account and the vehicle's identification number. You lose control over features like remote unlocking, climate control, and charging network access. This prevents your personal driving data from being retained without consent. This ensures compliance with privacy laws protecting your information. Tesla implements multi-factor authentication, or MFA, as a critical security layer for account changes like removing vehicles. This requires not just your password, but also a secondary verification method, such as a code sent to your phone or email. MFA is essential for preventing fraud and unauthorized access, particularly if your account gets hacked or your vehicle is stolen. Recent Tesla updates have made MFA mandatory for sensitive actions to protect against these threats. Unlike simple password protection, MFA adds an extra layer of security. A password alone can be compromised, but MFA requires something you have, like your phone, making it much harder for unauthorized access. To ensure MFA works effectively, regularly update your email address and phone number in your Tesla account settings. This ensures verification codes reach you and your account stays secure against unauthorized changes. As an extra precaution, monitor your account for suspicious login attempts. Tesla sends notifications for new device logins, allowing you to take immediate action if something seems wrong. Troubleshooting common issues. Sometimes removals fail due to server-side errors. If this happens, ensure your vehicle is offline or in a non-networked state. If problems persist, contact Tesla support for assistance. Backing up your vehicle data, like service history, before removal is also a good practice. As electric vehicle ownership grows rapidly, Tesla account management is becoming an increasingly common task for owners. With Tesla's market share growing to 25% of global EVs, owners are more frequently switching between models or selling vehicles. This has led to a 20% year-over-year increase in vehicle transfers, according to Tesla's 2025 earnings data. Tesla is evolving toward a digital wallet system for vehicles. When removing a vehicle, you may soon be able to transfer valuable digital assets, such as supercharger credits or autopilot subscriptions, to your new Tesla. Looking ahead, Tesla plans to introduce AI-enhanced account management, potentially allowing voice-activated removals through the vehicle's AI. Experts predict that by 2030, 30% of vehicle transfers will be fully digital, streamlining the process for owners. As EV adoption grows, Tesla's expanding supercharger network enhances vehicle resale value. Digital credits for this network could become transferable assets in future account management updates. Stay tuned for future updates in the Tesla app as these trends continue to evolve. Let's explore real-world examples of Tesla vehicle removal scenarios to understand how the process works in practice. A common scenario is selling a Tesla. The seller opens the Tesla app, selects the vehicle, and generates a removal code. The buyer then uses this code to register the car under their own account. While usually smooth, some owners experience a 24-hour delay as Tesla's systems propagate the update, highlighting the need for patience. For leased vehicles, fleet managers like those at Hertz sometimes need to remove multiple Teslas at once. Due to API limitations in the app, individual removals can be cumbersome, so they contact Tesla support for batch processing. This ensures all vehicles are properly disassociated from the fleet account. Security is crucial in removal scenarios. Reports show hacked accounts led to unauthorized vehicle removals, allowing thieves to claim ownership. Tesla responded by requiring multi-factor authentication for all removals. Owners should act quickly if they suspect a breach and always ensure they have full control over the process. Welcome to our final section on expert tips and advice for removing your Tesla from the app. First, experts advise verifying that your Tesla isn't enrolled in beta software before removal, as it might reset experimental features. Second, Consumer Reports recommends removals to prevent data misuse after selling your vehicle. Third, according to a Tesla user survey, most owners remove vehicles for sales purposes. Finally, always consult Tesla's official support for the latest removal instructions. This concludes our guide on removing your Tesla from the app. Remember these expert tips for a smooth process.